welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Christiane, otherwise known here as IHeartAirbrush, and today we're going to be talking about that Temptu Perfect Canvas color correcting starter set. So if you are interested in learning about that 7-piece color correcting starter set, then please keep on watching. Alright, so let's just dive right in, shall we? So the Perfect Canvas Airbrush Color Corrector set comes with 7 shades. Yes, these shades right here. Yes, got that full range for you pros out there, of course. And for the airbrush enthusiasts like me, of course. So the set that I have here is a 7-piece starter set that includes a set of high-performance airbrush correctors that instantly provide weightless color correction to any skin discoloration or hyperpigmentation concerns while delivering long-wear coverage for an even, bright, and more perfected complexion. Yes, honey. Okay, so this set retails for about $65 at temptupro.com. If you want the bottles individually, you can purchase them that way, and I believe they retail for $15 a bottle. Once again, that's at temptupro.com, and they're $15 a bottle. I believe it's a 1/4 ounce size. If you are familiar with the AirPod formula and you're just in love with the AirPods, they do have it available in the singles and the AirPods as well, and those retail for $30 a pod. So yes, you don't have to get the full range starter set like this if it's not for you, or if you're not a pro. You know, you can purchase them individually at temptupro.com. So yeah, that being said, we're gonna go ahead and read a little bit more of this literature right here. Let's just go ahead and get into it. So these color correctors are very versatile, meaning that they can be used under or over your concealers or foundations, which is really amazing. It says the color correctors feature a perfectly pigmented formula that allows for buildable coverage to spot correct imperfections for an all-over correction. So these formulas are designed to meet the main skin discoloration concerns like redness, discoloration, dullness, hyperpigmentation, and dark circles. The first shade that it comes with is lavender. So it brightens while concealing dullness in fair to tan complexions. It's ideal for all of skin tones. Then we have light peach, which neutralizes hyperpigmentation, fatigue, age spots, and conceals dark circles under the eyes, as well as blue veins on fair to light skin tones. Then the next shade here we have is peach, and that neutralizes overall darkness, hyperpigmentation, age spots, and conceals dark under eye circles from tan to dark skin tones. And then we have the green color corrector, which conceals intense redness from rosacea, acne, blotchy skin, or irritation on fair to tan skin tones. Okay, then we have the shade Caramel, which is perfect for dark to deep skin tones. It helps to correct any skin discoloration, hyperpigmentation, under eye circles, and uneven skin tones. So it's going to go ahead and even you out if you're dark to deep skin tones. And then the last shade in this set is the salmon shade, and this one is the most universal shade for any dark spots and under eye circles from fair to dark skin tones. So yeah, this set is pretty much perfect because it comes with pretty much every shade that you're going to possibly need to work on any client, or if you're working on yourself, it's really going to come with any shade that you need to go ahead and color correct on your own skin. So yes, once again, you can go ahead and get these shades individually. So if there's one specific one that you think you're going to need and you're just interested in getting the one to match your specific skin type, then go ahead and refer to temptupro.com. Like I said before, the 1/4 ounce size individual bottles go for $15, and then the AirPod version of it sells for $30 a pod. So it even has a pro tip on here. It says use a fair amount of lavender on fair olive skin tones for an ethereal brightening effect. For a natural highlight around the eyes, apply light peach color corrector under the brow bone. Yes, that's one thing I really do like about Temptu, is that they do offer some tips with all their products, so you know, you kind of get them little hints and little insider pro points. So that's all the information that we have here about the color correctors. Now I'm going to go into some swatches for you so you can go ahead and see the shades for yourself. Now bear in mind, I am medium to tan skin tone, so what you see is it's swatched on somebody who's medium to tan. If you do want the shades shown just on a white piece of paper, I will go ahead and have that photo on my blog along with the description of each of these shades and what they're good for, and the link to the blog will be in the description box below for you, so just in case you want to go ahead and see that. So without further ado, let's get on to the swatches. Yeah. Alright, so the first shade here we have is light peach, then we have peach, then we have caramel, then we have salmon, and then we have yellow,
and then we have lavender, and then lastly we have green.
Alright, so now that you've seen the swatches of the shades and you got some background information on this product, that about wraps it up for this video. Keep an eye out for my next video. That's going to be pretty much the demo on how I use the color correctors personally. I hope that one will give you a lot of insight on, one, how to use airbrush color correctors, and two, a little bit of insight on the shades themselves when they're being applied to the skin. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful or even enjoyed it, yes, because we hope you enjoy these videos here, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. It costs you nothing, and you get to be part of my airbrush family. You know, we can communicate, we could be friends. Let's be friends, girl. So make sure you're following me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm also on Snapchat as well if you want to hit me up there, but I don't post there as often as I do, I'm gonna be real, as I do on Instagram and Twitter. So yeah, you might want to just follow me on Instagram and Twitter, you know, because I don't got that Snapchat game going yet. Alright, so I just want to go ahead and thank you again for watching, and remember, if you choose to subscribe today, or if you are already subscribed, don't forget to hit that little notification bell icon and turn on your notifications. That way you get the quickest updates anytime I upload a video. And like I said before, we got a lot coming to the channel. You know, we gonna test products, we gonna review products, we gonna do stress tests, we gonna give some inspiration, we gonna get creative, okay? We got a lot coming to the channel here, so I would love for you to go ahead and join me on this journey and have your notifications on so we can connect, girl, because you know I like to connect with y'all. Anyways, thank you again, and I hope to see you all in my next one.